Thank you very much, General Santos. I'm joining the Rainbow Warrior later. We're going to Manila. There will be a concert November 27. If you're going to Manila November 27, there will be a concert, Turn the Tide concert, at the parking lot of CCP, featuring many bands. And you listen to the song, you go to the website of Greenpeace, and you listen to the song about climate change, written by Noel Gabangon. So we gathered many artists. So please watch the video and listen to the song, and be aware, especially you're in Mindanao, be aware of the Maasima coal power plant that's really dangerous to our environment, to our health. So if you're looking at your children, please take care of them. Please oppose this plan to build that plant. Okay, for our last song, this is about energy revolution. Yeah, we need other sources of energy aside from the fossil fuel, the gas and the oil. So this is a song about believing in yourself that you can do it. You can do the change. Okay, every one of us can do it, the change. The revolution starts within, from within. So this is called revolution. Revolution. Magkakaroon ng revolusyon, simulan ko na kaya ngayon. Sawang-sawa ka na sa buhay na ito. Saan ba pupunta? Saan na tayo? Nag-iisip ka ba ng pagbabago na ito ay iba? Hindi ganito, hindi ganito, hindi ganito. Lagi-lagi, 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 ganito. Ang natin, magkakaroon ng ano? Ng revolution, energy revolution. Simulan ko na kaya ngayon. Magkakaroon ng revolution. Simulan ko na kaya ngayon. Nararamdaman mo ang simoy ng hangin, sasapit ang bagyo, at haharapin mayroong mangyayari.
Lagi